98% can't decode these animal emojis, can you? This bird is known for its majestic feathers. Which reptile is a master of disguise? Guess this unique mammal from Australia. This mammal wears its own suit of armor. This deep-sea dweller has a built-in fishing lure. This desert fox is known for its enormous ears. This colorful crustacean packs a powerful punch. Name this famously slow-moving tree dweller. Watch out for this desert arachnid's tail. This Arctic marine mammal is famous for its long tusks.